Hey guys, and welcome to our channel, Cerebral Palsy Daily.
I'm Steve.
And I'm Dustin. We hope you enjoy. Hey guys, and welcome to Cerebral Palsy Daily. Today I'm going to show you how I struggle to put on my seatbelt. And why I usually need help putting on my seatbelt. I'm going to try and grab this the right way and then drop it. Okay. It would help if I could. Okay, got that. I gotta fix this up. And almost there. Almost there. My hands are in the way, so I can't see if it's in or not.
It's not.
Dang it.
Go. It's close. You're getting there.
Thinking my hand dropped it.
Oh, well.
Well, that's all I got to say about that. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.